travelers from all around the world with one goal in sight. Footsteps echo through the valleys, hearts beat in rhythm. In Cappadocia, nature and humanity unite. We run in the shadow of the fairy chimneys, climbing hills, every step a legend. Guided by Salomon, the paths are tough but sacred. This event grows every year, more exciting and celebrated. Braver souls from every corner of the earth. In this race, victories are won and friendships reborn. Salomon Cappadocia Ultra Trail is more than just a race. It brings the world together in nature's embrace. This year's race has ended, the sweat has cooled, but the thrill and excitement remain within our soul. Next year will be bigger, more beautiful still. We'll be waiting for you again, the trail's calling you still. In the new year, higher peaks, a greater goal, with more runners, more stories to unfold. We'll keep running, merging with Cappadocia's grace. In 2025 we'll meet again in this grand race. Thank you Salomon, thank you Argeus. Even greater successes await. The trails are endless. Thank you, Salomon, thank you, Argeus. Even greater successes await. The trail